In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record credit card payments in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to enter an expense paid by credit card so your reports stay accurate and easy to read. We'll start on the main dashboard. Move your cursor to the Create menu. This opens the quick actions you'll use most often. From here, choose Expense. This tells QuickBooks you're recording money that has been spent, and it opens the standard expense form. At the top of the form, select the payee. This is the vendor or company you paid with your credit card. Using the correct payee keeps your vendor history clean and helps with reporting later. If the vendor already exists, pick it from the list. If not, you can add it so future entries are faster. Next, choose the payment method. Since we're documenting a credit card purchase, select the appropriate card. Picking the right method helps you separate card activity from other payment types and keeps your card-related reports accurate. Now, select the category. This is the expense account from your chart of accounts that best describes what you bought. Things like office supplies, software, travel, or utilities. Selecting the right category is key for clean profit and loss reporting. If you're ever unsure, use your most consistent choice or consult your accounting guidelines so similar purchases land in the same bucket every time. Add a clear description, a short note, like the purpose of the expense, the product or service, or a project reference, makes future reviews and audits simpler. Think of it as leaving yourself a helpful breadcrumb you'll appreciate later. Enter the amount. Type the exact total you paid on the credit card for this expense. Double check the number for accuracy. Getting cents right avoids small reconciliation headaches down the road. If this expense relates to a specific customer or job, add the customer. Linking the expense to a customer improves job costing and profitability reporting. It also makes it easier to review all activity tied to that relationship. When everything looks good, click Save and Close. QuickBooks records the expense. Sit with your chosen category and updates your credit card activity accordingly. You can always return to this transaction from your expenses list if you need to review or adjust details later. That's all there is to it. By consistently choosing the correct payee, payment method, category, and a helpful description, you'll keep your books organized and your reports reliable. Thanks for watching. And great job keeping your credit card expenses tidy in QuickBooks Online.